Your girl finally pulled the plug and got the Breville. Let's do an unboxing and set her up. Let's get into it. Exciting that I'm gonna be in my coffee girl era. She's heavy. One moment. Okay, y'all. She's in here. I've been wanting one of these for so long, and I'm super excited. I finally decided to do it. She's packaged in here real good. Very secure. Y'all, now for the best part. Is she not gorgeous? Okay, now let's go set it up. Using Nat's Cafe coffee beans, of course. She's brewing. Now time for a little milk. Okay, espresso is done. Stay tuned for more things with Coffee and Carrie.